Starting a ketogenic diet. Converse with your primary care physician. Albeit the ketogenic diet is grounded in clinical and nourishing realities, there is certainly not a general assessment in the clinical local area that the eating routine is powerful for weight reduction. Your own primary care physician will actually want to prompt you in the event that the eating regimen is ideal for you. A few sources view a ketogenic diet as a successful method for countering the side effects of specific sicknesses, like epilepsy, as opposed to a weight reduction diet. Assuming you are pregnant or diabetic, work with your PCP so they can screen and change your meds while you follow this eating routine. Individuals with a kidney infection, like hypertension, can encounter issues with high protein eats less. Perceive the potential dangers of a ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet, and placing your body into ketosis for the most part, presents gambles for any individual who experiences heart or kidney issues. On the off chance that you are in danger of coronary illness or kidney sickness, keep away from ketogenic slims down.